The world is hungry for depth, connection, and soul-led change. People are searching for answers like never before, and traditional coaching and therapy only take them so far. I'm Annemiek van Helsdingen, and 25 years ago I started as an executive coach, always wondering what is needed for people to truly change. Now, this brought me on a quest for effective skills and tools that over the past 20 years have developed into soul-based coaching, where we use techniques that are both leading edge, backed by neuroscience, and grounded in ancient wisdom. In my videos, I share how you can create a riverbed for your clients' innate capacity for healing and change, so that you can become a midwife for change rather than an expert coach who seems to have all the answers. In this way, deep change can happen even within a single session. Subscribe to this channel and I will show you how you can unlock the change that comes from within, led by your client's soul wisdom. See you in the next video.